I'm doing number 60 for extra credit, and part A says find the amount of money the company should spend on advertising in order to yield a maximum profit. So you take the equation P equals negative 1/10 times S cubed plus 6 times S squared plus 400. You take the derivative, which is P prime equals negative 3/10 squared plus 12S. Alright, and then you said derivative equals 0, so you say 0 equals negative 3/10 S squared plus 12S. And then you factor out an S, so then you get S times negative 3/10 S plus 12. And then you solve for it. First you get S equals 0 and S equals 40. And then I used first derivative test to prove it was a maximum. To prove it was a maximum profit. So I set the range 0 to 40 and then 40 to infinity. I plugged in the point 1 and it was a positive number and it's increasing. And then I plugged in the point 100 in that interval of 40 to infinity. And I got a negative value, which means it's decreasing. And if the slope is increasing and then it goes decreasing, that means that point's a maximum. So then therefore, by the first derivative test, $40,000 is the maximum profit. And then on part B, it says the point of diminishing return is the point at which the rate of growth of the profit function begins to decline. Find the point of diminishing returns. Alright, so what you do here is you take the second derivative of the equation, negative 1/10 S cubed plus 6x squared plus 40, which is P double prime is negative 3/5 S plus 12. I set that equal to 0. I solve for S by moving 12 over to the other side. So then you get negative 12 equals 3/5 S. So then I multiply by the reciprocal negative 5/3 on both sides. And you get S equals 20. Then I did the second derivative test. I plugged in 1 on the interval. Got a positive, so that means it concave up. Then I plugged in 30 on this interval, and it came out to be a negative value, so that means it concaves down. And when something concaves up and concaves down, that means there's an inflection point. So that means that by the second derivative test, $20,000 is the point of diminishing returns. And that's it.